This guy here has 5,000 followers, and the average views on his posts aren't too high. Can you guess how much he's earning? He earns 5 to 6 figures per month from this page using whop content rewards without selling any digital products, just by posting simple 9 to 15-second reels. On this page, he started posting faceless UGC content and made $6,000 in his first week with content rewards. In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what these creators do to earn so much money using content rewards and how you can do the same. I'll walk you through 2 ways, plus 1 bonus tip at the end. I'll show you how you can make money through content rewards, compare all the methods, explain their pros and cons, and tell you which way is best. With a step-by-step breakdown on how to do it, by the end of this 5-minute tutorial, you will know exactly what to do. So let's get started. Clipping. Go to whop, click on the Explore page, then click on Content Rewards. Select Clipping, and here you'll find creators paying $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. What you have to do is take clips from already viral creators, edit them with music, captions, and visuals, then post them. That's it. You earn up to $1 to $5 per 1,000 views. And people are making $10,000 a month, with good clippers making up to $30,000 a month doing this. No followers, no face needed, just smart editing. This is the same strategy that made Andrew Tate go viral, and the early clippers earned up to $100,000 in their first month. But when everyone started doing it, the market became saturated, so you can't earn that much anymore. That's why you need to be first. Be the first to clip rising creators, use retention editing, and stay active on the whop Explore page. Like other methods, this one has its pros and cons. The pros are that it's easy to go viral because you can clip interesting parts from videos and recreate them, and it's easy to edit since you don't have to recreate the whole reel. The con is that it pays less money, like $1 to $4 per 1,000 views. But since it's easy to get views, it's a decent option, though not the best. UGC, User-Generated Content. Now the second one, UGC. This one is personally my favorite, and I think it's the best. First, click on Content Rewards, then click on UGC, and here's where you'll find creators and big brands giving you $3 to $5 just by talking about them or their products or services. Like this page here that started an Instagram page, started posting UGC content, and made $6,000 in their first 2 weeks. And just like this creator here who started posting UGC content and made $1,000 per day, and they recently posted a reel and showed they earned $1,700 in 14 seconds. Here, he posted a UGC reel promoting Iman Gadji's challenge, and he's inside Iman Gadji's content reward, which is giving him $5 per 1,000 views. He got 31,000 views on his reel, and Iman Gadji's content reward is giving $5 per 1,000 views. So if we multiply 31,000 views with 5, we get $155. That means he made $155 with this single reel, and just like that, he made $850 with another reel, and just like that, he has posted 66 reels on multiple platforms. It's insane. It's the best way to make money. But it also has some pros and cons. For example, this type of video gets views, but not like clipping, and you have to recreate it. It takes more effort in editing than clipping. But the pros are that CPM is very high in UGC. CPM means cost per 1,000 views, so you can earn a lot from it. And nowadays, every creator has a content reward. Even Iman Gadji, Little Tekka, Brez, and the Tucker Carlson podcast have content rewards. Bonus tip. Now what you can do is hire yourself an editor so you can post more and more videos in less time. The idea here is to scale your production and make more money. You can post 10 UGC videos per day on multiple accounts and platforms, and you can make 6 figures per month using this strategy. But it also has some risk, like it takes money to hire an editor, and you don't know if your content will go viral or not. But what you can do is start with UGC, And once you earn $30 to $40, you can hire an editor to make your videos.